Hello guys, I'm Judy from EagerLED Limited. Today we talk about this flow test screen. The use of LED screen have a human sensor interaction, and the use of the scenes in the shopping mall and the banquet hall and at the runway and some exhibition activities have a wide range of demand. And this flexible module design clear display, this customized to the both sides can be heat, special shape display. So let's just take a look at this actual use in fact. So if you want to know more details, you can ask me in the comment section. So see you next time. Bye bye.